Retina can be divided into 10 layers. Pigment epithelium synthesizes melanin that absorbs light that activate rods and cones, phagocytosis that sheds the tips of the rods and cones and esterifies vitamin A. Layers of rods and cones. Photosensitivity rods are sensitive to low light insensitivity and cones are sensitive to the bright light and perceive color. External limiting membrane, zonular adherence formed between the photoreceptor cells and molar cells, therefore it is not a true membrane. Outer nuclear layer houses the nuclear regions of rods and cones. Outer plexiform layer, it regions the synapses between the axons, photoreceptor cells and dendrites of the horizontal and the bipolar cells. Then we have the inner nuclear layer that houses the nuclear regions of molar, bipolar, amacrine and horizontal cells. Inner plexiform layer, it regions where the synapses occurs among the axons and the dendrites of the amacrine, bipolar and the ganglion cells. Ganglion cell layer, it is a region of the cell bodies of the multipolar neurons as well as the neuroglial cells. The optic nerve fiber layer, it is a region where the unmyelinated axons of the ganglion cells join to form the optic nerve, and once the fibers pierce the sclera, they become myelinated. Inner limiting membrane, it is composed of the expanded terminal processes of molar cells and their basal lamina. Watch the detailed lecture on sqadia.com histology course. That's it, 2 minutes. See you in the next video.